for our spread, guys. Yun, look at that. Gooey, chocolatey, and thick.
I shot for the sky. I'm stuck on the ground.
I just thought of sharing a quick and easy recipe. All it requires is 3 ingredients. We're gonna make a high-protein Choco-Peanut Butter Sandwich. It becomes high-protein because we're gonna be using our chocolate whey protein powder. We're using the Elite Labs USA chocolate whey protein. We did a review of that protein powder a few days ago. Kung na-miss nyo yung video na yun, go ahead and check it out. And the second ingredient will obviously be the peanut butter, and of course, it's not gonna be a sandwich without our tinapay. So right now we're using my favorite bread of all time. This is the Gardenia whole wheat raisin bread. In my opinion, this is the best variety because it is still high in protein. Of course, it has raisins, so medyo matamis-tamis siya ng konti. And of course, the added benefits of fiber as well. So maganda yung kanyang macronutrient profile. And with that being said, guys, gawin na natin yung ating high-protein Choco-Peanut Butter Sandwich. I actually thought of doing this to surprise Joey kasi it's been a while since pinagluto ko siya. To all of the gentlemen out there, hindi lang po yung mga girlfriends natin or yung mga wives natin yung dapat nagluluto para sa atin. From time to time, we also have to surprise them. Diba? So, I'll be picking up Joey in just a bit, but I think we still have plenty of time to squeeze this very quick recipe in. We have the peanut butter. We're using the Skippy Extra Crunchy Peanut Butter, chocolate whey protein powder, and all we have to do, guys, is to mix them in a bowl. So first, we're gonna put a scoop of chocolate whey protein powder. There we go. When you say a scoop, it means like this. Ganito po ang scoop. Sumusobra. Para mas malasa, di ba? We're gonna put in a tablespoon of Skippy Super Crunchy Peanut Butter. Yeah, medyo malaki-laking serving din to. All we have to do is put these two inside the bowl. Of course, we're gonna add a little bit of water, guys. Okay, konti-konting tubig lang para maganda yung consistency niya. So let's add a little bit of water first. A little bit of water, come on. Okay, so ihalo lang natin siya ng maayos. And just add water if need be, guys. Kaso pa konti-konti lang, ha. Be mindful of the amount of water na ilalagay nyo. What I like about this Skippy Extra Crunchy Peanut Butter is it has chunks of peanuts. As you can see, ano, konting-konting tubig pa, konti na lang. Yun. And there it is. This is the type of consistency we are looking for. As you can see, para siyang peanut butter. And I think this is perfect for our spread, guys. Yun. Look at that. Gooey, chocolatey, and thick. Now, all that's left to do is for us to make it a sandwich. So, okay, here we go. I don't know about you, but I like my sandwiches to have a thick palaman. So, yeah, we're gonna add a hearty portion of that. You know. Ooh, sarap nito. Oh my gosh. I'm sure Joey's gonna like this. The taste test din ni Mama to. Yeah, because I need the opinion of two of the most important ladies in my life. So yeah, that is one sandwich. Set aside lang natin siya dito sa loob ng ating oven. Yan. Let's make another one. Yun. This looks perfect. And as you can see, meron pang natitirang palaman dito. I might save this one for another sandwich. So basically, this can make 3 sandwiches, guys. So not bad, di ba? Well, although we can make 3 sandwiches, dalawa lang yung kasya sa aming oven toaster. So, sarado muna natin to. And, totosta natin sila ng ilang minuto. Let's see kung maganda yung kanilang kalalabasan. I'm so excited. I'll get back to you guys pagkatapos nilang matosta. Okay guys, luto na sila. This is the moment of truth. Sana hindi sila masyadong sunog. Oh. And look at that. Sakto lang yung tosta nila. Can you hear the crunch? Okay, excited ako na ipatry kay Mama to at saka kay Joey to. Let's see kung magustuhan nila. Okay guys, so say hello to Mom.
Hi!
Here's a high protein Choco-Peanut Butter Sandwich that I prepared for you and Joey.
Can I
Taste
taste
test. Yes, please.
It's good.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, English pa.
Yeah, hindi matamis.
Look at that.
Look at
Show
the-
them the lines. Sige, ubusin mo na yan. Yung totoo, masarap.
Sarap. Masarap.
Alright, so 1 out of 2. Now, all that's left is for Joey to try it out. Sana magustuhan din niya. Kiss mo pa. Thanks, Mom! Uy, ngayon ko lang na-realize, maganda pala yung lighting dito sa loob ng aming kusina. $10:35 and it's time for us to pick up Joey. It's been 15 minutes since naluto yung ating peanut butter sandwich. Pero mainit-init pa naman siya. By the way, to those who are unaware, Joey's house is literally 6 houses away from our house. But yeah, I'm still gonna use the car because mas safe and mainit na sa labas.
Good morning.
Did you eat na?
Not yet.
Not yet. Are you hungry?
Kinda. Of course, I'm always hungry, but yeah.
What do you want to eat? Okay, I prepared something for you. No, it's
Wala
not
pa
there. Sa isa, yeah.
What's this? Oh, what's inside? This is so unexpected, my love.
Of course.
Ano nasa loob?
It's Choco-Peanut Butter Protein Sandwich.
Not bad.
Talaga, not bad. Yun lang. Not bad. That's
Nagtoothbrush
all you
kasi
can
ako
say.
eh.
Not bad.
Nagtoothbrush kasi ako. Hindi, teka lang. Wait lang. Ito na. I can definitely taste the peanut butter. Pero yung chocolate, medyo parang wala siya. Mas nalalasahan ko yung bread at saka yung raisins.
I see.
But that's good.
Okay, thank you.
Sarap siya. One more.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please leave it a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you on the next episode.